Myeongdong Topokki food delivery.
3 o'clock in the evening, my snacky time.
3点钟下午茶时间到，点了外卖，吃些轻食，补充精力。
Tell you a secret. This is actually a kiddie meal.
Yes, I just need something light in portion to recharge my energy.
This Chi-Kiddie set is a good choice in that sense. Open up and see what do we have in this kiddie set.
这是儿童餐来，小分量刚刚好，有炸鸡翅4块。
We have fried chicken wings and drumettes, 4 pieces here. Cheesy fries.
芝士薯条。
Guess what's this?
Tomato sauce. Chili sauce. Mayonnaise.
这个猜猜看是什么？
The answer is
kimbap.
technically, kimbap is rice wrapped in seaweed with fillings.
是韩式紫菜包饭哟。紫菜包饭味道还不错。
Taste not bad, meeting expectation. Fried chicken wing, taste okay. No excessive oil. Not too salty too.
炸鸡翅味道还可以，不油腻，也不会太咸。芝士薯条不错吃。
Cheesy fries. Taste okay too.
Hi, this is Hill and Cerise from Kudos2U channel.
Kudos2U is a foodie discovery channel featuring product unbox and food review. Fast food and instant noodles are our core. Local delights and community recommended good food are featured here as well.
Join us to explore delicious food together. Subscribe Kudos2U channel now.
Then only we have chance to tell you stories about food. Which one is tasty and yummy? Which one tastes so only?
Don't miss the exciting foodie journey with us. Just 3 clicks. You will have various food updates every week. Click subscribe. Click the bell. Click all.
Then we're all set for our virtual foodie journey every Tuesday.
Time for food review. For Kudos score, out of 10 points, 7.5 points for today's foodie experience.
Kudos score is a simple measuring tool indicating our personal experience and preference at the time being.
No advertising or slandering attempts throughout the video production. To end the meal, let's compliment with this. We need your lovely support. Let us have your like and your comments.
Subscribe our channel to join our foodie journey every week. Thanks very much.
记得订阅我的频道哦，下周2继续一起开动美食喽。